Here you go, John. Uh-oh. What are you trying to play with, Vincent? Huh? You figured out that you got another toy that you like to try to get, huh? You're trying to get it. It's raining. It's raining outside.
It's not raining. It's not warm. If I'm not at my desk, then with my desk, then I can go in their house.
Go in their house?
Yes, sir.
At 4. Yeah, I told you you couldn't go over there. You couldn't go inside unless if you were sleeping.
And I didn't go in their house because I went in their house so I could go for it.
Oh, okay. Look at that Vincent trying to play with some toys. Yeah. Oh, he kind of woke up from a little nap. Huh, Vincent? Vincent. I'm not going to worry about all that. I'm trying to get some toys. Hi, baby. Vincent. Sweet baby. Him's our sweet baby. What'd you see? Huh? Washing his hand, didn't he? Trying to figure out how to work this hand. Huh. Trying to figure it out. Oh, you get so close, too, huh? Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet baby. Yeah, you're my sweet baby. Hi. You gonna talk to mommy now? See mommy? Mommy sees you. Yes, she does. I love you. Can you say hi to Daddy? Hi, Daddy. And hi to Mama Peg. Yes. See the camera? Here's the camera. Let's see, you can say hi to Daddy. Yeah. You gonna tell him? You tell him about how you miss your daddy. Huh. And I'm growing up so fast. And we don't want Daddy to miss too much, do we?